Hello guys, welcome back to the Embedded Guy. Today I'll show you how to connect to your Airtel Pocket Wi-Fi hotspot when you have forgotten the Wi-Fi password, and also how to change the Wi-Fi name and its password. So this tutorial can be followed for any pocket Wi-Fi hotspot, not just Airtel. These situations happen quite often. The device is already configured, the password sticker is missing, and you are completely locked out. Sometimes even the person who originally set it up doesn't remember the password. But don't worry, we will fix this easily using a simple WPS method. So let's get started. First, turn on the Airtel Pocket Wi-Fi by pressing this power button for about 2 seconds. Wait until all the indicator lights are on. Now I am going to use my laptop for this process because my smartphone doesn't support WPS Wi-Fi connection. If your phone does support WPS, then you can complete this entire process directly from your mobile phone. But in my case, I will be showing everything using my laptop. On your laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings where we normally select a Wi-Fi network. Here you can see the network named Airtel My Wi-Fi. Normally when we try to connect it will be asking for a password, but we don't know the password. So just simply do connect, and now it will ask for the password, and at the bottom you can see it says you can also connect by pushing the button on the router. So at this exact moment we just need to press this WPS button on the left side, or you can find the WPS button on your device written as WPS. We just need to press that button once. When I just press that button once, we can see the WPS icon is on. Now just wait for a few seconds. WPS connection usually take time. Now, as you can see, the laptop has successfully connected to the Airtel My Wi-Fi network. Once connected, open any web browser. In the address bar, type the default router IP address, which is 192.168.1.1. Then you will see a server page for configuring this Airtel hotspot device. Sometimes you might get a message, insert a SIM card and restart. So don't worry, that happens when there is no SIM card inserted, and it does not affect local configuration. Go to settings. It will ask for admin username and add password. So by default, the username is admin and the password is also admin. So we'll try this. It says password is incorrect. So that means the admin password was changed earlier. And if you don't remember it, then in that case, we will need to reset the router. After resetting, all the settings will be returned to default. To factory reset your device, first remove the back cover of the Pocket Wi-Fi device. Make sure the device is powered on and the battery is intact and inserted. Now inside the device you will find a reset label. Reset label here. Next to this reset label you can find a small hole which contains a reset button. Using a SIM ejection tool or a paper clip, press this reset button. You should be able to feel or hear the button being pressed. After pressing the reset button, you will notice all the indicator lights are turned on. This means the device is resetting and the router will restart with all settings will be reverted to factory default settings. Once it get connected, now we will go to setting page. Here in the username, put the default username as admin and the password as admin. Message to change the login password so that no one else can change your router configurations. For now, I won't change it. After logging in, go to WLAN settings and WLAN basic settings. Here you can see the SSID and the security mode and the pre-shared key, basically the password. So from here you can view your previous password or the default Wi-Fi password, and if you wish to change it you can change, and then once everything is done just click apply. Once we click apply, the router will restart and apply the new settings. So that's it guys. This is how you can connect to an Airtel Pocket Wi-Fi without knowing the password. Reset the device if needed and change all the important Wi-Fi settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.